How long does it take to remove dried hot glue from fabric using different methods?
Hello, fabric enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that many DIYers and crafters may find daunting: how to remove dried hot glue from fabric. This task can be tricky, but with the right methods and a little patience, you can restore your fabric to its original, glue-free state.
What do you need?
Before getting started, make sure you have the following items on hand: a butter knife or a plastic scraper, a piece of cardboard, a freezer or a plastic bag and ice, rubbing alcohol, an old toothbrush, a clean cloth, an iron for some fabrics. Now, let's look at different methods based on the tools you have available.
How do you remove dried hot glue using a freezer?
Freezing is a simple and effective method to remove hot glue from most fabrics. The cold temperature makes the glue brittle and easier to break off. 1. Place the fabric in the freezer. Keep it there for about an hour, ensuring the glue is completely frozen. 2. Once frozen, use a butter knife or a plastic scraper to gently scrape off the hardened glue. It should come off in chunks. Be careful not to tear the fabric.
How do you remove dried hot glue using rubbing alcohol?
For stubborn glue residues or fabrics that cannot be frozen, rubbing alcohol can be a lifesaver. 1. Pour a small amount of rubbing alcohol on the dried glue spot. Wait for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the alcohol break down the glue. 2. Use an old toothbrush to scrub the spot gently. The glue should start coming off. Please note that rubbing alcohol may discolor some fabrics. Always do a patch test on an inconspicuous area first.
How do you remove dried hot glue using an iron?
For heat-resistant fabrics, an iron can be a good option. 1. Place a piece of cardboard over the dried glue. 2. Heat the iron to a low setting, then press it over the cardboard for a few seconds. The glue should stick to the cardboard when you lift it. 3. Repeat the process until all glue is removed. Remember, never use a hot iron directly on the glue spot or on delicate fabrics. There you have it. With these easy methods, you can remove dried hot glue from your fabric effectively. Always remember to proceed with care and choose the method that best suits your type of fabric. We hope you found this video guide helpful. Keep those fabrics clean and happy crafting!